And then even by the time that it came to midnight, my third gig had been cancelled. Yeah, I still showed up. Yes. I do remember there being something in the small print about a cancellation fee. And also, I don't know what it's like in the comedy community because this isn't the type of environment I usually find myself in. I'm usually in sort of the company of attractive people. But certainly in LGBT venues, you know, if you're doing your show, you do get a load of free drinks. So this venue's over 2 floors. So I made sure I got paid and then stopped past all the bar staff and upstairs on the way out, because I wasn't going home on my birthday, cancelled and sober. Now, who was following the fascinating story of the Day for Freedom saga? Was anyone? Yeah, right, okay. Well then you know that I am always right and everyone else is wrong. Correct, sorry, not right. Now I'm self-censoring, let's all come to. And so imagine what it was like waking up at 2 p.m. the following day to discover that I had been cancelled by Gay London, by Gay Dublin, by Gay Edinburgh, but not Gay Cardiff. I don't think they have the news there, so we're still a bit like they're waiting on Twitter, they're not entirely sure. Well, listen, so this isn't my first appearance since the scandal. Because I was actually doing backstage interviews at the Prowler European Gay Porn Awards just a few days later. Do you know what I learned? Look, people have been actually very nice to me. I know you've seen them all say horrible things online, but no one would fucking dare in person. But people have been really nice. They've been really nice and supportive. But not least the porn stars at the Prowler Porn Awards, who it turns out are almost universally Brexit voters. I don't know if there is a correlation between being a Brexit voter and getting fucked up the ass on camera. But what time are we here till tonight? I don't mind finding out.